This vehicle is a Laika Ecovip L3019. It's got a price in excess of 115,000 euros. I'll give you some of the other details. 7 metre long, or 699, 225 wide, and 296 in height. And for those interested in bed sizes, you've got them there. Base price is just under 85,000. This one's got all of this extra stuff, which gives that rather large price at the end. And the biggest single ones are just under 4,000 for an automatic gearbox. So the first thing I notice is that there's a double floor inside, and one of those extras would have been this bed, which is above. And so I'll have to say one thing, it does seem to be quite roomy, and first that strikes me, but okay, right, what can you see which is a bit dodgy up here? Well, I'll make some, I'll go along and give you some ideas. Well, that seems all right, doesn't it? I mean, it's got this here is a rather odd way of opening things like that, but okay. It has a ledge. That's all right. What about this one here then? Ooh, does this open? No, it doesn't. Why doesn't it open? Because it's got doesn't got a cover to it. What is the point of having a thing like that without a cover? Now, if people actually went out using the motorhome, they would know that you need covers on things. I haven't got covers on mine because I haven't got around actually putting them on. Anyway, what about this here? Does this come out? No, of course it doesn't. And ooh, and you can see the corner piece is there wasted. This is very it's very tough. It feels a bit tough. That was a click as it comes out. I think that though is just due to the newness of it. Right, so I'm having a little bit of a sit down now on the bed, and in my opinion, this bed is a bit soft. I mean, of course, bang. Everybody has different needs and different tastes as far as things are concerned. Always get on top of a bed before you buy it, find if it's right for you. And as far as this one's concerned, it's wrong for me. So yeah, I'll just put the thing back. Seems soft. Anyway, that's just me. I mean, it might be me. I might be the odd one here. Now, that seems like a long way to get up. Well, it does rather, but what about this? This comes out. This should come out. All right, let's just pretend it comes out. And then the top one, the storage. There'll also be storage under this one if we worked out how it actually works, and it doesn't want to work. Oh, it does. Sorry, it was me. It was me not having, got no strength. And there you go. There's the storage as well. It's now locked in position. See how it's locked in position? It's locked in position via these things. There's one, and there's the other. No, I'm not going to get it go in. And there's the other, and there's that one. Well, obviously you need two hands to do it. All right, so in here we've got slide out. Niesmann Bischoff started doing these about, oh, I don't know, ages ago, and I thought it was great. One or two other companies have now started doing it as well. Niesmann Bischoff and Laika, of course, are both parts of the Hymer group. Sorry, I say it in German, Hymer, it's Hymer, as far as if we're speaking English. What do you think is down here in the double floor? There you go, there's some pipe work. If you want to have a look at the pipe work, you can always open that. So, right, you can also close this, if I can find the door. What do you think of that? Surely the door is closing in the wrong place. I've never seen anything like that before. I've seen plenty of vans where the washroom closed like that, yes, but not in that direction. So what are we supposed to use this somehow? Well, no. I've got to say, I think this washroom was great. I really like that. Lots of space inside. It's, come up here, look at all of this. It's great. And if you don't want to have this, then you can have it like as it was before. There's 2 large drainage holes. Great, super, everything good. I can't work out why that goes there. That's a great place to hang your towels on. Looks like a ladder. It's a... Actually, just pull back a bit. I think I can understand that somebody would think that was that was the ladder on the Anyway, right. Here's the fridge, Thetford fridge. Quite standard. On the subject of being standard, here is the here's the gas burners. Here is the it's very good deep. It's a deep sink, which is great. I think I'd like one a little bit larger, but all the same, that's great. Well done, Laika, to that one. And there's a second one. Hey, wouldn't it be better to just done one, made it really deep? Anyway, that's just my opinion. And I'll just show you the window one here. That's a mosquito net. Let's see. Yeah, that's without the mosquito net. And let's close it like this. Oh, that's how it's closed. I mean, that's quite a straightforward thing for those of you who haven't seen something like that. Right, so these openings go all the way through. They've got the same cheap drawers which are being used throughout the Hymer group. 15 kilos max. And this is another pull-out thing. There you go. Right, let's see if we can get the bed to come down. It mightn't come down. Right, I think you could take the cushions down, maybe it would go down a bit further. It's away from the television. I have seen it happen, that bed comes down and it scratched the television. It wasn't in a Laika van, I need to point out. But it was of a similar price range as this one. Anyway, I don't like beds, extra beds, as a general rule. But that one there, it's not. It's all right, I suppose. You can actually sit down on chairs up front if you wanted to, as well. And anyway, let's close this thing here. Put it back. Look what's happened. This has come out. This is the curtain. Put the curtain up there so it looks neatish. There, and we'll continue doing this. And now the big question is, how much space is in here? Let's have a. There's me. How much space is in here? Yeah, I think that'll do. Right. Let's have a look at the chairs. So, I'll have a look also. I want to have a look at the double floor because, in my opinion, this is ooh, that's a bit tough. You've got a bit of storage down there. I wouldn't want to have a vehicle now without a double floor. I mean, I think the storage capacity of it is great. I think, but it's the insulation. So that's really deep. That's great. I mean, you're about 45 centimeters down there. That is really good. That's for the batteries, I think. Right, okay, good. So, television's there, and storage there. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like this. That's good. Like light coming in, particularly if you're in the bed up here as well. You want a bit of light. Yeah, great. So I hope you found this one of interest. I upload every day at 21:15 Central European time. I've got a huge selection of vehicles from many manufacturers to have a look at. So thanks very much for watching, and if you're interested, then subscribe. All the best from me in Dusseldorf.